Hi, we hope you are doing well. This video assumes that you had seen the first video about laying the buckle and the hair into the 6D machine. The video of the preparation of the 6D3 hair extensions. How to put the hair with the buckle into the 6D machine. If not, please watch that video first for better understanding the first step. Today's video details how to install the 3rd generation 6D extensions with the 3rd generation 6D machine after placing the hair extensions with the buckle into 6D3 machine. Let's go.
First, you need to make a hairline for 5 cm width, thickness for 5 to 8 mm. You need to take the hair straightly, not bend the hair but hold it straight. Incline the machine and enter the hair you hold. The machine upper part should be closed to your head skin. The upper line of the machine should be 0.5 to 1 cm from the hairline root. Lift the hair for about 90-degree angle. Make sure the machine is under the hairline you made.
We summarize all this by a repetition of images and we continue.
Then press the button with your right hand, and keep holding the button till you hear
a noise made to let you know that the extension installation is finished.
Now, put your finger under the hair extensions line or under the buckle. Then you break the buckle head. And you still hold the hair extensions with your left hand's thumb and index finger. Then break the small stuff one by one with your right hand's thumb and index finger. Then the hair extension is completely finished. And it's very strong and durable. Sublimitaire thanks you for watching.